Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings. Now scroll down and click on Notifications and Control Center. Then you need to tap on App Notifications and select one of your apps, like Google Play Store. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, as you can see, all notifications from Play Store are now off. You can always turn them back on by clicking on the same switcher. If you wish to, you can also just tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!